It's fall, y'all, and you know what that means. It's Crocktober. So break out that crock pot and check out this viral recipe for swamp potatoes and sausage. Let's get into it. These are all the ingredients that you're going to need to make this recipe. You can substitute fresh green beans for the 2 cans of green beans shown here. In this video, I chose to use the skinless turkey smoked sausage, which is half the fat. But you can also choose these other options, but I went with this one. Start off by slicing our turkey sausage in small pieces and add it to the crock pot, as well as 1 white onion. Next, we cut our Yukon Gold potatoes in cubes and add those to the crock pot as well. Next, we add our 2 cans of green beans that we drained. Added 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of Zatarain's Creole seasoning, and a half a teaspoon of ground pepper. The next thing you want to do is stir this together. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of olive oil and also 1 cup of chicken broth. Notice low sodium here. Added about 5 tablespoons of butter, and I also decided to add some cabbage as well. Add your cabbage to the crock pot, give it a stir. Remember, cabbage is high in fiber and it's good for you. Go ahead and put your lid on the crock pot at this point and set the timer on low for 5 hours. After your 5 hours is up, look how amazing this looks. Color, lots of flavor, and the house smells incredible. Alright, so here's my favorite part. Let's taste these swamp potatoes and sausage the healthier way. Remember, Gigi cooks healthy meals, and let's get into Crocktober. This recipe is a definite one-pot meal. I think the entire family will like it. It's loaded with vegetables, it has your protein, and it was outstanding. Hey, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Also, make sure you click on that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Hey, thank you for watching Gigi Cooks Healthy Meals. I'm going to leave you a video suggestion here so you can check out some more of my recipes.